So, I'm going to save you guys about $300 today. All right. So, P Master here. Good morning, good evening, good night to everyone that's going on. But I'm going to save you $300. And this is how I'm going to help you. So, if you own a 2015 Ford Taurus or any Ford Taurus from 2013 plus, you're going to have a windshield washer fluid motor or pump that commonly goes out in our cars. If you go to a dealership, they're going to quote you $350 to fix this. But on Amazon, you can fix it for about 50 bucks. I'll leave some links in the description below for parts, replacement parts. So let's get to it. Now I've already replaced this to save us time, but I will give you step-by-step instruction on how to replace this motor. Alrighty, so you're going to turn your wheel all the way in. It's on the right hand side of the vehicle. You remove these 3 bolts. They are, let's get this out here real quick. Where are you? There's a 7/32 socket. There's 3 of them. You're going to remove that, and then you peel back this. There's your pump right there. That little black and white right here. That's your pump. This is the Motorcraft one, the one that ships with it, and they commonly go out in these cars. There's the part number for you guys if you want to get the original Motorcraft one. You're going to pay a hefty penny, about 50-60 bucks. Amazon sells a identical replacement. It's not 100% identical, but it does do the job. And this is about 16 bucks. So step 1 is you're going to be removing these 3 bolts. You're going to disconnect the top. There'll be a little switch up here. Be careful. There's a little lever up here. You'll pull that, and that's how the switch comes off. Then you'll remove this, the hose connection. The hose is kind of difficult. It'll be a little difficult for you. And then that, if you keep the tank full, you're going to have fluid leaking out. And this is the fun part. You're going to wiggle this back and forth, and then out, and then pull. That's where you get it out. Sometimes the gasket stays in. If the gasket stays in, it's good enough for the next pump. If not, there is a replacement with a new part. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed it.